welcome back to my channel Nanda Nubis. I'm so sorry because I'm not update tutorial about on Linux in my channel YouTube. So for now I want to create again some tutorial about how to install monitoring with phpServerMonitor. Yeah, this you can find out on github.com about a phpServerMonitor. This is one tutorial you can search from this link like this. Yeah, and I will make some tutorial on a Proxmox, and I have this one container based on Debian Debian 12, sorry, bookworm. I have this specification, and I will SSR and give some tutorial. Wait. For first step, you must log in to your server, and then make sure you already installed Docker. From this tutorial, I have installed Linux server and a Docker. I already installed the Docker with the version 24, and then let's check out with Docker PS. Sorry, yeah, there's no one container because I'm a new installing this Docker. So the first you must create a phpServerMonitor like this command. Let's clean. Yeah, in this we will create a Docker network for phpServerMonitor. You can first create with the command like this: the Docker network create phpServerMonitor like this. You can copy paste. After that, I will insert to my description of video, and then you can enter after this. After the finish, and then you must running Docker container about the phpServerMonitor. After you create the phpServerMonitor network, and then you must run the monitor Docker on container. So the command is like this. I will copy paste. Yeah, Docker run min name phpServerMonitor. Yeah, like this. You can save. And then you can customize. If you are Indonesian, like you can change to Asia Jakarta, like this one. I will change time zone to Asia Jakarta. Yeah, like this, and then after that you can enter. It will pulling the Docker container template. We can await the process of the downloading. Yeah, after finish, you can install the mariadb Docker from a container. This one I got command a Docker run in mariadb. Yeah, and a root password must be same like a command before. After already same, and then you can enter. It will pulling to the Docker container template. Yeah, after that you already got pulling the Docker container template. You can check by command Docker PS, and then you will see two container of the Docker, mariadb, and then phpServerMonitor, the latest. And then you can open via port 8080. So I will open it in a browser. Let's check the on my IP. Sorry, my IP is this one, and then you can open. Yeah, this one prepare for setup phpServerMonitor, and then you can click the let's go. You can put your username like admin or what something you have want to put name of username, no problem. I will set the admin as username administrator, and then password. and the email. You can choose the email, no problem, whatever you want. And then after that you put all information on this box. You can press the install. Installation button, go to your monitor. Okay, and then you can log in with username was creating before. I will create the admin and the password. Yeah, this is one dashboard of phpServerMonitor, phpServerMonitor, I'm sorry. And then you can check the status like this, and this one. You can choose the server like this one. I will show you like some monitor. I will delete this one, and then I will add new, like if you want to by ping, you can put the IP or a domain. You will get the monitor from first. I will put the DNS Google for example. And monitoring, yes, and email for now. I don't set up first. And no, send to server, no, and no. So after that you can save. DNS Google already adding. You can see domain protect type is a ping, latency 0, last one never. Okay, and then you can set the config from this one, like email, SMS, push offer, Telegram, and the Jabber. You can customize it from here. Status change will be notified. Yep. And the log retention you can set up. For this default is 365 if no one changes, and then you can come back to status like this one. You can choose by like this. Yeah, so that's it, how to install phpServerMonitor on Debian 12. If you have a question, you can ask on comment on my video. After that I will try to help you. Maybe I can answer your question. Okay, thank you, see you, and bye bye.